Hi everybody, today we're going to unbox something that came in the mail. A lot of something that came in the mail. Welcome back. Thank you for coming and watching our videos. Thank you for everybody who keeps on returning. And today we're going to open up our new RecPro double recliner love seat.
Big warnings. So what's Ron using to open it? A knife.
As expected.
Okay, so that's the center console. And that's the back of the center console. This color is called putty.
Some of you are probably wondering why we're opening up all of the boxes before we take everything inside. We want to make sure that there's no damage and that all of the colors are the right colors. So hopefully this is going through a lot easier than the couch.
Probably didn't hear you because you're... I look by this or not?
Ready? Yep. Okay, we got the first piece in, and what we're going to do is we're not going to connect it to the floor right at the moment. We're going to put it all together and get it into place, make sure it fits, and we're going to be making a little bit of a change to the dinette area for Judy's mom, so we're going to not connect it to the floor until we have that done. Okay, the way this goes together is there's these two pegs that stick up out of the back, and there's two slots with a connector on each side that slide down into it. When it slides in, they'll snap closed, and you know that it's in place.
So if you ever want to remove it, you just need to
be able to flip it.
undo it with a screwdriver.
Now that that's connected, we'll put this up here and off to that side. Again, we're going to be running the seat belts up into place once we've got everything all situated in our remodel.
I think we did okay with the color choice too.
Now what we got to do is to put these pegs through. They'll come through the bottom like that, and then we line them up and we put them into the holes where we pulled those little screws out. Okay, so we got the back on. Now we're going to put the center console and connect it to the right hand side of the couch. You see down on the side we have these pegs on the front and the back. They go into these, drop down into these slots, and then push back to lock it into place. I'm sitting down on the job, but we're going to put the left side in next, and there's the same pegs on the left hand side of the left hand side of the chair. They go down into these slots and then slide back. So there you have it. We got it in place. Like I said, we have not connected it to the floor yet. We will be doing that. We'll be running the seat belts up through so that we can use it for a spot for seating. If you like the video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Leave us some comments down below and share it with all your friends and let them know that this stuff, RecPro's furniture, is really nice. It's really comfortable, and I think we're going to get a lot more enjoyment out of this than we did with the couch that we took out.
Customer service was great. I called them and ordered it.
Customer service.
And if you give them your email, you get a 5% discount.
Thank you very much. Everybody have a great day, and we'll see you again in the next video. Bye now.